Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you one of the simplest and most convenient ways to exchange your cryptocurrency into dollars, or any other currency of your country, and withdraw it directly to your bank account or to another payment method such as Revolut. The method I'll show today supports a huge number of countries and payment systems, so you won't have any issues with it. I'll demonstrate everything using the Bybit exchange. I have 100 USDT here. But in your case, it can be any other exchange or wallet. It really doesn't matter. If you're registered on an exchange, like in my case, Bybit, you can go to the P2P section and exchange your crypto there. But I don't recommend this method. Most offers have a minimum exchange amount of $500 and above. Plus, there are often high fees and unreliable counterparties. The method I'll show you today has just a 1% fee, and the minimum exchange amount is $50. It's much more convenient and faster than P2P. I've been using it for a long time myself, and I can confidently recommend it to you. Let's get to the point. In the description of this video, I'll leave a link to the Telegram exchanger that I usually use. As I already said, the fee here is only 1%, and the minimum amount is $50. There is also a huge number of coins available, not just USDT, so you can exchange your Bitcoin or Ethereum here as well. Let's follow the link in the description, open the bot, and choose the coin we want to exchange. Today, I'm exchanging 100 USDT. I select Tether, the Tron network. Here, you choose your country. You can do this either through the menu or through the search bar. As I mentioned earlier, a huge number of countries are supported. In my case, I choose America and, from the list of payment methods, choose the one that is most convenient for you. I'll be transferring the funds to my Bank of America account. I enter my bank details here, and the exchanger gives us the address to which we need to send the cryptocurrency. Just copy the address and send it. I'll be transferring from Bybit, but you can use any exchange or wallet. As I already said, it doesn't matter. I go to the exchange and make the transfer. The algorithm is more or less the same on all exchanges. Go to the withdraw section, choose the coin, the amount, and the correct network. Now it's asking me to confirm the withdrawal using my email and two-factor authentication. I'll blur this data for privacy reasons. I hope that's okay. Alright, entering the code, and one more from the 2FA. Done! The withdrawal request has been sent. Now we just need to wait until the withdrawal is completed successfully and processed by the exchanger. After that, we will receive our money into the bank account. Usually, funds arrive within 30 minutes, but it all depends on the payment method and system load. And here we go. After just a couple of minutes, we received a message that our exchange was completed successfully and the funds were sent to the specified details. We also have a receipt here, which is very convenient. We open the banking app and check. Yes, as you can see, the funds have been credited to my bank account, and our exchange took literally just a couple of minutes. But, as I mentioned earlier, sometimes you may need to wait up to 30 minutes. It depends on the load and the payment method. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if it's not too difficult, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. The link to the exchanger will be in the description. Have a great day and all the best.